Writing a business proposal that actually gets a yes is one of the toughest problems in sales. The problem? Most proposals are cookie cutter documents. They're static, uninspiring, and easy for clients to ignore. But a winning proposal does more than just list prices and features. It paints a clear vision of how your solution creates a better future for your client. Today, I'm going to be breaking down the essential steps that set a great proposal apart. From the prep work you should be doing before you put pen to paper, to proven strategies that increases acceptance rates. And I'll walk you through a practical proposal template so you can even see how to bring these proposal ideas to life. Before you even start writing, there's a step that most teams skip, but it's the foundation of any successful proposal: pre-proposal alignment. This is all about shifting from seller mode to collaborative problem-solving mode. You need to have a deep understanding of your prospect's challenges and goals. This means confirming key commercial terms like pricing and timelines ahead of time. You should also map out the buyer's journey by identifying stakeholders and anticipating potential blockers that may exist. Creating a mutual action plan, even a simple one, builds shared accountability and momentum. Framing your solution using their language to show that your proposal is a continuation of your previous conversation, not just a generic pitch. Let's talk about 5 data-backed behaviors so you can make your proposal stand out. So you've done the groundwork. Now, how do you make your proposal itself shine? Well, the best proposals aren't just flashy. They're communicating a clear and compelling message. At Quilla, we analyzed over 1 million proposals, and we uncovered what truly moves the needle. Here's what you need to focus on. Number 1 is keeping it short and sharp. Proposals that are 6 pages or less have a 66% higher acceptance rate. Focus on clarity here, not quantity. Number 2 is driving interaction. Including things like an ROI calculator or quote blocks in your page can increase your acceptance rate by up to 1.7x. 3 is multi-thread early in the deal process. Pages that gets visits from at least 2 different stakeholders within 5 days have a 1.9x higher acceptance rate. Get your champion to loop others in. Number 4, maximize dwell time. If a prospect spends more than 4 minutes on your proposal, your acceptance rate increases by an average of 11x. Create engaging and interactive content. Number 5, follow up fast. Proposals that get a second unique view within 2 hours are more likely to close. Now we've covered the big picture, let's get into the nuts and bolts of a compelling proposal. It's built from a few key elements that show your value, set expectations, and make it easy for clients to move forward. I'm going to demonstrate each of these sections alongside Quilla's sales proposal template, which is easy to customize for any industry and includes all the sections that we're talking about today. Executive summary. Starting with the executive summary, one of the most important parts of any proposal. It's the trailer to your blockbuster. It should be a compelling, fluff-free zone that gives you a crystal clear snapshot of your client's problem and your proposed solution. Quilla's templates are designed to be visually appealing, making your executive summary more memorable and engaging right from the start. Strong start is half the battle, so make sure this section grabs attention and use smart formatting to communicate key points. Addressing their challenges. Here's where you show your deep understanding of the client's situation, the things that matter most to them. You want to demonstrate empathy and insight by defining the problems in their terms. This reassures the client that you truly grasp their needs. Then you'll propose your solutions. Make sure each one directly addresses a facet of the problem you've outlined. Instead of just listing features, focus on how your product or service solves their specific problems. ROI and proof of success. Your proposal is more persuasive when prospects can see the impact of working with you. With Quilla's interactive ROI calculators, you can go beyond static claims and show tangible values your solution delivers. You can customize it with the variables that matter most to your business and your prospect. Whether it's projected savings, efficiency gains, or increased revenue, you control the inputs so the numbers tell the story that's most relevant. Pair this with proof points like case studies, testimonials, and performance data to build trust and credibility. When prospects can both visualize the upside and validate it through real-world success stories, your proposals become so much more compelling. In fact, Quilla users who leverage interactive elements like an ROI calculator in their proposal typically see a 1.7x higher acceptance rate. Timelines and metrics. Provide a clear roadmap of how and when your solution will be implemented. Outline your methodology, timeline, and core metrics you'll track, demonstrating strong management skills and shows you have a realistic, structured approach. Highlight the milestones and KPIs that matter most, reassuring your clients that progress will be measured, transparent, and aligned with their goals. This builds confidence, sets expectations early, and proves you can deliver on your promise. The action plan is a collaborative roadmap that outlines the next steps for both parties. It's a key part of the pre-proposal alignment as it helps establish shared accountability and momentum towards closing a deal. Instead of a one-sided sales plan, this section presents the process as a partnership, which increases promises both transparency
and alignment.
Pricing is usually the first place proposals go wrong. Too many are either vague, overloaded with numbers, or focus too much on the cost and not the value. But handled the right way, pricing can be one of the strongest parts of your proposal. Be upfront and clear with your pricing. A well-structured pricing section should make costs easy to understand while emphasizing the value your solution delivers. With Quilla's interactive pricing tables, prospects can explore different packages, increasing the number of users or exploring add-on services as the price updates in real time. No hidden costs or hard to understand value, just simple, effective pricing. Next up, we'll talk about a booking and meeting option as well as the acceptance part of your proposal. Finally, close your proposal with a strong call to action that makes the next step effortless. With Quilla, you can embed a calendar so prospects can book meeting on the spot, add formal agreements for review, and include e-signature so they can approve instantly. Instead of leaving them wondering what to do next, your proposal guides them seamlessly from interest to action, whether that's scheduling a call or signing the deal. So there you have it. The secret of a winning business proposal isn't a complex formula. It's about being clear, concise, and client-focused. Remember to do the pre-proposal alignment to set a solid foundation. Leverage data-backed behaviors to increase your acceptance rate. Structure your proposal with a clear executive summary, problem and solution, proof of success, transparent pricing, and a clear call to action. If you're ready to start creating proposals that win, be sure to check out the link in the description to get started with the template we walked through today in this video. While you're there, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more expert tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you there.